Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I'm standing in front of a 2019 Chevy Suburban. This Suburban was used in our demo service and is being sold as new with warranty at Apple Chevrolet. Apple Chevy is offering all of its customers $8,500 off the MSRP for this vehicle, while also adding an additional $2,000 due to the fact that it was used in our demo service. This is a four-wheel drive LS that only has 2,700 miles on it. As you can see, it does come with our back tinted windows and also has 18-inch polished aluminum wheels. Now, when we get in this vehicle, you can see that we do have cloth seating with a very large back seat. It does have a leather center console. And when it comes to the front of this vehicle, we do have our Chevy MyLink radio and even our standard cruise control. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you guys have a great day.